Ma'am, right side.
Questions?
Just standing. Just standing.
Sorry.
Are we just standing here?
Yeah. Just for the visuals.
Look here, ma'am.
Have you seen any of Vedas's stand-up comedy acts, and what do you have to say about his acting?
I have seen him live actually, apart from the fact that I think we really got to know him personally on Delhi Belly, and he's a fabulous talent. He is actually, he improvises, and what I'm most proud about is that he is carving his own path, doing his own thing, creating content which is original, which celebrates what he wants to say to the world. And yeah, we are very proud to be here, to be celebrating a night like this.
So do you think the image of comedians is changing all over the world? Because Aziz Ansari has a Netflix series as well. Now Vedas has one. So you think the space that comedians enjoy is changing today?
I don't know if it's changing, but I do know that I really welcome the fact that there are more people who are creating content that is around them. They're not trying to fit into somebody else's story. They are the center of their own universe, and they have a very unique story to say. I'm a huge fan of Aziz also, and I don't think we should be comparing talents. I think Veer is doing his own thing, and I'm hoping that many more people do their own thing, and I hope that the whole country wakes up to the fact that there is life beyond just films. There's a whole live entertainment space, be it music, be it stand-up, be it theatre, be it so many different ways to express yourself. So I don't think the only aspiration that one should have, or the only dream in the entertainment sphere, should be starting and ending with films. So I welcome many more such people coming up and creating content that is, you know, reflective of what they want to say to the world.
So now have things cooled down between you and Sonakshi, because there was this tweet, something happened and she blogged and you retaliated and things like that?
Things are never hot as such, yeah.
No.
She's in Australia, I'm wearing leather in Bombay. I think this is the only thing which is making me feel hot right now. But I think it's all in a good space where we live in times where we can express ourselves. We have different point of views. We can argue, and the media seems to pick up the most inane things actually to blow up beyond. I might post 100 different things about the most exciting, positive things happening around the country, but that is not exciting enough for 100 people to go viral with. So a comment on this particular case was again not about Sonakshi or any one person in particular. It was a much more general comment about how we should celebrate merit, people who work hard, and you know, who should go on to any particular stage after having learnt their craft and technique. So that's a general statement that I made. That it got picked up as just some kind of a fight between me and Sonakshi, it's kind of ridiculous. I have nothing personal against Sonakshi. I wish her the best. I hope she has the best opening in her films. And when she comes on stage to sing, she should actually sing and blow us away. And if she sings well, I would be the first one to clap for her. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
सर यहाँ पे लास्ट कॉर्नर सेंटर सर सही है सेंटर से यहाँ पे सर यहाँ सर वन राइट सर यहाँ पे राइट राइट हेलो सर